Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to look at two exciting new products for the 66 to 76 Ford Broncos. Introducing our fuel tank filler pipes for the rear main and the auxiliary fuel tanks. Our filler pipes are made to OEM specs, ensuring a perfect fit for your Bronco's fuel tanks. Both are designed to mount to the rear quarter panel openings of your Bronco just like the originals, and will mount to the tank via a flexible fuel filler hose, which is available separately. These pipes are also designed and must use the 71 to 76 style gas cap. So if you're working on the fuel system of your classic Bronco, or you just want to upgrade to the later style neck, these will be the perfect addition to your Bronco project. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.